Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to create phone case design on Canva. I will also be showing you a platform on which you can upload your design on, and from there you can either choose to start selling it online or you can simply order your own custom made phone case. So the first thing you want to do once on Canva, you're going to tap on create a design in the top right hand corner. From here, I want you to type in sticker. So let's do that. And you're going to select circle sticker right here. After selecting circle sticker, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you will see a blank canvas, and you can either choose to upload your design by tapping on uploads from the left hand menu option, or you can tap on design in the top left hand corner, and then from there you can type in whatever type of design you'd like to use. So for example, let's say I were to type in Cupid. After typing in Cupid, you can see some designs right here that I can use real quick. Or if it is a case that you would like to add something random, you could tap on elements. And from there, you can type in whatever you want. So for example, let's say heart. You can see right there. Then from there, you could tap on graphics. And after tapping on graphics, you could scroll down and you can see the different heart designs you can use or so on. But let's say for this example, I want to use the Cupid design, this one right here. I'll simply tap on it. Once I've done that, it will be added, as you can see right here, to the canvas. Then what I want to do, I want to minimize the size as I'm going to be adding text also. So I'll make sure that it is central, as you can see right there. After I've added it right there, all I'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option once more, and I'm going to tap on text. After selecting text, I'm going to tap on add a heading, and the text that I'm going to be adding is true love never dies. Let's do that real quick since it is coming onto Valentine's. So I'm going to simply do that. Then I'm going to select effects from the top menu option, and you're going to scroll down a bit and you're going to select curve because we want it to fit around the design, as you can see right here. So you'll select curve and then you can pull it down. You can also see right here, you can increase the curves by simply pulling on it to the right, as you can see right there. So I like it right about there. After doing that, you can decrease the font size a bit to ensure that it fits on the phone case. So at the moment it is as 30. We're going to carry it to 24. So you can see right there. So you can see how it looks. And if it is a case that you'd like to add something more to the bottom right here, you can do that. Once it is finished, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on download, then select download once more. After it has been downloaded, I want you to open a new tab and you're going to go onto Printful. And Printful is one of the best print-on-demand platforms. And what do I mean by that? Well, just like how you have created your design on Canva, you'll be able to upload it on Printful, and then from there you can select phone case, or you can select whichever item you'd like to upload your design on, whether it be a totty bag, whether it be a phone case, a coffee mug, anything at all, you'll be able to upload your design. All you'll need to do is tap on sign up in the top right hand corner, and from there you'll be able to sign up for free, and Printful will deal with all of the shipping and handling and customer service. All you'll need to do is create the design and get some customers. So we're going to tap on get started. After selecting get started, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, we're going to go over to the left hand menu option and we're going to select product templates. After selecting product templates, you'll tap on create new product in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on search products in the top right hand corner. And from here, you can type in phone case. So you can see you have different options. Phone case for iPhone, clear case for iPhone, snap case for iPhone. You have different options that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, we should select tough case for iPhone. So I'll select that. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to the designer page. And now you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads. Then we're going to tap on upload new file, and you're going to select the design that you have just created. So you'll tap on open, and once the file has been added, all you'll need to do now is tap on apply. So we'll tap on apply right there. After selecting apply, you can see that it has now been added. So all we're going to do, we're going to be removing the background. So we'll tap on remove background. After you have selected remove background, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to edit the positioning. So you'll simply select the positioning right here by tapping on the screen. Then you'll simply pull down. So you want to minimize it, as you can see right there. And to get a better look at it, all you'll need to do is tap on mockups in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on mockups, you can see it is processing the files, and from here you'll be able to get an example of how it will look on your iPhone case. So you can see it right there. This is how it looks at the moment. So if it is a case that you like to pull down the design, you can do that by simply tapping on design once more. Then by tapping on design, you can simply pull it down a bit. So you can pull it down right there. Then tap on mockups once more. So we'll select mockups once more, and you can see how it looks again. And once it is to your liking, you can tap on save templates. So you can see it right there. So now you're going to tap on save the templates in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on save the template, after you have done that, you'll be redirected to the product templates opening page, as you can see right here. So this is it. So now you have two options. You can either decide to open a store on which you can do print on demand. So for example, you could select stores from the left hand menu option, and from there you can choose to sign up to any one of the e-commerce platforms. So for example, you can tap on choose platforms, and from there you can choose to connect your store, your Printful store, and upload your phone case design to Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace. Any one of these platforms you will be able to sell your design on, as you can see right here. But if it is a case that you don't want to sell your design and you'll simply want to order it for yourself, you could simply tap on product catalog. After selecting product catalog, from here you'll be redirected to this page, and you can tap on new order in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on personal orders. After selecting personal orders, you can either choose to test your design and you'll save 20% on 3 sample products, or you can select basic order right here and you'll be able to customize any of the premium products. So we are going to tap on test your order right here, and you'll tap on create your order. After you have tapped on create your order, you can tap on add product. So you'll select it right here. So you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on my product templates. After selecting my product templates, you're going to tap on the phone case. So let's do that real quick. Then from there, you can choose the model iPhone that you're using. After selecting the model iPhone that you're using, you can see the price right there. It will cost $13.95. Then you'll tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on continue, you can see it is generating the files right there. So after doing this, you can see this sample order. Please select 3 items or fewer. So all you'll need to do now is scroll down. So you can see the price right there. We'll get it for $10.90. And all you'll need to do is tap on continue to shipping. Then from there, you can enter your address, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.